Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School and CISE Junior College, Changanashiri. Now it's time for us to study how to add numbers. നമുക്കറിയാം numbers add ചെയ്യാം. പക്ഷേ we have to keep something in our mind to make addition correct. So for that we are moving directly, not to waste time, that's why. Okay. If a number is given 3 plus 4, we know how to add 3 plus 4. How to add 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4. With fingers and all, now we are not able to do. See, we are grown up, standard 4 era. So, we are not asked to do with the fingers. Keep in mind, 3 plus 4, 3, then 4, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. This is also having 1 digit, this is also having 1 digit, no problem. Okay. But when the number of digits are different, the problem starts. So I will show, we will be doing some examples. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Nothing is there to worry about. 4 plus 3, that is 7. If it is 14 plus 3, we have to keep something in our mind. 14 is of 2 digits and this 3 is having only 1 digit. This is having only one place. So 3 here we should write. Now we can start the addition from the right side. 4 plus 3, 7 and this one here. Already you know. I know that you are very good in addition. Now we are moving to the next part. If it is a 3-digit number, 400 plus 5. What to do? Same way, 400, 3-digit number you write and 5 is having only ones place. So this is ones, tens, 100. So 5 if I have here you write. Now you add from the right side. 0 plus 5, 5, 0, 4. Nothing to worry about. Now another one. 1000 plus 14. This number is having 4 digits and this is having only 2 digits. So what is to be done? 1000 first we will write plus this is having only 2 digits. So 1's digit is 4 and 10's digit is here. So 0 plus 4, 4, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now again, if you have more numbers, 7000 plus 200 plus 17. What is to be done? 7000, 4 digits, 2 digits, 200, 17 here, total. See, nothing is to be worried about. So 7000 plus 200 plus 17. How to do this? Yes, 7000, this is having 4 digits. 200 is having only 3 digits. 17 having 2 digits. So now 0 plus 7, 1, 2 and 7. So what is to be kept in mind when we add a multi-digit number, that is 4 digit or 2 digit or 1 digit, whatever may be, you just have the sense with the place where they have to be kept. The digits should be in the correct place. Only that we have to keep in mind, and all the other things, how to add 2 numbers, you know. Okay children, now you are able to do this. Very easy. I think I don't want to help you. You can very well sit with your parent and do. See, I'll explain just. 2000 plus 5. What is 2000 plus 5? Yes. Likewise, you can add, you can get the answer. Okay, then here you are free to have a number here also to find out the sum. Okay, that also you can do. And any one digit number you like to 4000, 5000, in the same way add 2 digits number, then 3 digit number to these 4 digit numbers. Questions I will be giving more, but here these questions you are given, you can do very well. 2000 plus 54 that you do in your notebook. Okay, I should see how you have done. 2000 plus 303, 6000 plus 10, 6000 plus 410. So more questions I will be giving. This part you leave. For this one 10 questions I will give. Okay children. Now we are moving to the next part. You will be thinking, oh, again problem. Again problem. There are red, green, blue and yellow cards. So one thing we have to keep in mind is read the question thoroughly. Not only once, twice. How many number of times you can read, that many number of times you read, then you think in Malayalam. Then you will understand how to go about. Okay. So just move to the question. There are red, green, blue and yellow cards in a box. One draws 8 cards from it without looking. The cards have different points. See, red in 1000. Green is of 100. Blue has 10 points and yellow has 1 point. So now Arun took 1 red, 3 green, 2 blue, yellow 2. So how many points he gets? Did you understand the question? 4 നിറത്തിലുള്ള cards ഉണ്ട്. ഈ അരുൺ പോയി എടുത്തത് എത്ര red ആണ്? 1 red. So Arunine 1 red. Red has how many points? 1000. So 1 into 1000, that is equal to 1000. 3 green cards. How many? So I think you are not asked to write this. You can write as such. No steps. Directly we can write. 1 red. That is 1000. So 1000. Green. How many? 3. So 300s are there. That is 300. See how I am writing? This is 4 digit. This is 3 digit. Now, blue, 2 blues, 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. See how I wrote? 1000, then 300, then 20. And yellow points are there too. So, 2 1 points are there. What are 2 ones? 2 ones are 2. See, if you add these full, you will get the total point. You please help me. 2. You also tell me with 1. So total how many points he got? 1322. Clear children? 1300s, 2 tens and 2 ones. So if you have a little you can understand. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So in standard 3 you have studied this. Okay. So now can you tell me, without doing these things, can you tell me what number, what is the total point here? In thousands place what? 1. Tens, hundreds place 7. Blue, that is 10. No points are there, that is 0. And here also no. So 1700. if you want me to do once more, you just have a look. Here we have 1322 that already we have found out by adding this 1322. Now this one also we will be checking by addition. Okay, so for that, who is that? Mary. Mary 1000, sorry, 1000, 700s are there, so 700, 0 tens, that means nothing, 0, so no need to write zeros. Here also 0, nothing is there in one's place, so answer is 1700. Now without adding like this also we can have this number. Please help me to write, Fatima, in the thousands place 1. Here nothing is given and here it is given 7. (1007). Here how it happens? Jafar 1, nothing, 2 and 5. Here 2, nothing, 6, nothing. Nothing means 0. But we should put the 0, otherwise it will be having only 2 digits. See, here 2 zeros are there. If you avoid, you will get only 17. No thousands you will get. So beware of that. Then now here 2, no, 6. Now here we are asked to compare who got the most points. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ആർക്കാണ്? So for that we should study how to compare the numbers. That we will study in the next class. So till this much you complete in your notebook. These things you can draw very well. See, this one you can draw. Then you find out these rough works also I want you to do in the notebook. Okay. So we will be checking the comparison and all in the next class.